Hello children, welcome to today's cultural and creative art class. In today's class, our topic is meaning of clay. Our topic is meaning of clay. Clay is a piece of rocks that is soft when it is wet and hard when it is dry. Clay is the finest grain of rock that can be shaped and baked for molding a pot and brick. Source of clay. Sources of clay. Clay are sourced from number 1, from bases or rocks. From bases or rocks. Number 2, near a river. Number 3, deep in the ground. Uses of clay. Clay is used for the following. Number 1, modeling. And number 2, building. So class, this is the end of today's class. Hope you enjoy the class. See you in the next class. Please subscribe to this channel, like, and turn on the notification button for more videos like this.